Your birth month is not a coincidence. You chose it. The spiritual meaning of May, June, July, August. Born in May. It's the 5th month of the year, carrying a spiritual significance related to abundance, fertility, and connection with nature. It's a time when life expands in nature, and the energy of growth and prosperity becomes more evident. May's archangel is Uriel, the archangel of wisdom, whose presence is closely related to spiritual enlightenment, mental clarity, and intuition. Uriel influences those born in this month in their quest for wisdom and spiritual knowledge. These individuals may have an analytical mind and be inspired to explore and understand the mysteries of life and the universe. Uriel inspires people to connect with their intuition and trust their inner wisdom for decision-making. May-born individuals may feel a strong connection with nature and an ability to manifest and attract the blessings and opportunities they need on their path. Uriel's energy can help them cultivate an attitude of gratitude and appreciation for the blessings they receive and share them with others. It also provides support during challenges and confusion. Uriel's illuminating presence can help dispel darkness and allow those born in May to see their path forward with clarity and confidence. Born in June. This month carries a spiritual significance related to love, compassion, and emotional connection. It's a time when nature is in full expansion and the sun shines brightly, creating an atmosphere of warmth and vitality. June's archangel is Chamuel, who represents love, and whose presence is related to the energy of divine love, unconditional acceptance, and harmony in relationships. For those born in this month, Chamuel's influence can manifest in their capacity to love and deeply appreciate others. It can also inspire peace and serenity in relationships and cultivate a sense of unity and cooperation with others. Chamuel is associated with the search for self-love and self-acceptance. Individuals may feel a strong connection with their essence and learn to value and respect themselves as they are. Chamuel helps you find beauty and authenticity and embrace your true self with love and gratitude. Moreover, it provides support during conflicts or relationship difficulties. Its loving energy can foster forgiveness and mutual understanding, allowing those born in June to maintain harmonious and healthy relationships. Born in July. The 7th month carries a spiritual significance related to introspection, protection, and connection with the divine. It's a time when summer is at its peak in the northern hemisphere, and nature is displayed in all its glory. Zadkiel represents this month, the Archangel of Mercy, whose presence is closely linked with compassion, forgiveness, and the transmutation of negative energy into positive. The influence of Zadkiel on those born this month manifests in their ability to understand and forgive others and themselves. These individuals may have a compassionate character, willing to help heal emotional wounds and release resentments. Zadkiel inspires people to seek inner peace and find wisdom in transforming difficult experiences into opportunities for spiritual growth. It represents protection and purification of the soul. Those born in this month may feel a strong connection with their intuition and receive guidance for decisions that lead them towards their well-being and spiritual protection, helping them to free themselves from emotional burdens and negative energies, and allowing them to focus on their path of evolution and spiritual ascension. Additionally, it provides support during self-evaluation and reflection. Its merciful energy guides to delve into one's inner self and connect with the divine frequency within. Born in August, carries a spiritual significance related to personal empowerment, inner strength, and spiritual growth. It's a time when nature is at its most splendid, and there's a sense of fullness and abundance in the atmosphere. Raziel is August's archangel, the archangel of mystery, whose presence is closely related to wisdom hidden knowledge, and the connection with the universe's secrets. Raziel's influence is manifested in the quest for deep knowledge and the desire to understand life and cosmos mysteries. These individuals have an inquisitive mind and are driven to discover the deepest truths of the universe and themselves. Raziel inspires those born in this month to explore their intuition and trust their inner wisdom to guide their decisions and actions. It also relates to manifestation and conscious creation. These people feel a strong connection with their ability to materialize their desires and goals and to create their reality with intention and determination. Raziel helps connect with their inner power and use it constructively and positively in their life. Additionally, it provides support during uncertainty and confusion. Its mysterious energy opens new doors of perception and allows those born in this month to access a deeper level of understanding and consciousness. I wholeheartedly hope this information helps you in your evolution and spiritual path. Now that you know which archangel rules your birth month, you can ask for their help and work with them.